What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to send Solana from Binance to Phantom. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly transfer your Solana from your Binance account to your Phantom wallet? Well, sending them is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to access your Binance account. So go ahead and open up Binance here. And from here, you want to go to your portfolio at the bottom right. Now, in your portfolio, what we need to do is we need to click on the take out or withdraw option that you see here at the very top. Now from here, just click on withdraw. Now, what we need to do is we need to look for Solana. So in this case, just press or enter Solana here or type Solana. And from here, you need to provide the following details. That includes the address or the QR code, the network that you want to use, and the withdrawal amount here. So in this case, in order for you to get that, you need to open up your Phantom wallet. Let's go open up Phantom here. Now, in our Phantom wallet, what we need to do is we need to provide some details or get the details here. So how do we get them? So to get them, what we need to do is we need to access the receive option that you see here on your screen. Now, from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the option here for Solana. So let's go and click on Solana. Now, from here, you could go ahead and save the QR code that you see here, or you could go ahead and basically copy your address by clicking on the address that you see here just above the share section. Now, once you've done that, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and basically go back into Binance. Let's go ahead and exit this one, go back to Binance. Now from here, you could go ahead and long press on the address here, paste it, and it's going to automatically fill up some details like the Solana network here. Now, indicate the amount here, click on withdraw, and you should be able to withdraw your funds or your crypto from your Binance account to your Phantom wallet with your Solana crypto. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.